Welcome everybody. Today we've got an Imperial Scout Trooper. Of course from Endor, rode the speeder bikes, and famously on The Mandalorian, the one who punched Grogu. Like I say, I thought these guys were really cool looking. For the, had to have the, normal pants rather than the armor of the conventional stormtrooper just to operate their speeder bikes. Let's see, was it? And they had a really unique sidearm too. It was like it had the barrel, but they also had a hand guard rather than a finger guard all the way around it. I thought it was really. I actually had the toy one of that. It had a scope on it with a little red reticle inside. It was really nice. I liked that one. My brother had Han Solo's blaster, but he didn't let me play with it. But anyway, I like these guys. I don't think I had the speeder bike. One of my friends had the speeder bike, but I never actually got the speeder. So that's sort of, let's see, I got the, Lucasfilm Limited 1983 Hong Kong. Like I say, they're, like I said, just sort of like Lando yesterday. That's pretty standard, non-posable Star Wars figure. His head is seized up. It will turn, but not. I don't want to force it to turn because it may just end up in my hand. So, got some of the Stormtrooper details on the back, back of his helmet, but not conventional Stormtrooper. Got the visor, and elbow pads and whatnot. They're cool. Looks like he's got some kind of knife in his boot there. I'm not sure, but what more can you say about a fancy stormtrooper? But anyways, folks, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, share. That's the wrong channel for this. Thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.